All right, fellas, I got a new challenge coming.
Uh-oh. Hey, what's up, guys? Now, my old buddy Elijah over at Day at the Range called my big ass out.
Oh yeah, that's what I said.
At 50 yards to shoot some 1/4 inch dots.
How many rounds does it take you,
Cyclops,
to hit one?
Now, I don't have any 1/4 inch dots, but it just so happens that the ass end of a 22 shell, when it's been shot, comes out to about right at a 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna shoot at it at 50 yards, see how it does. I'm using Ely Contact. Now, he used Norma TAC 22 or some bullshit like that. This stuff is $5.50 a box, so don't leave a bunch of comments talking about I used high-end ammo. This is the cheapest shit I got. $5.50 a box from Kilos. Look it up if you don't believe me. I'm gonna waste one, then I'll start shooting. All right. All right, here it comes.
it's your last chance to walk away. Remember, you wanted this.
Just missed it. That's one. A little high and right.
Just a bit outside.
Same damn place, all right. I got him low left. All right, buddy, there you go. Took me a minute, but I finally did get it together.
Well, let's see how many rounds it takes me. I got 2 down there on camera. Oh, close. Is that it? Oh, I'm shooting all around it, chasing the bullseye is what we called it. What in the world is going on with that thing there? Did I hit it at all, folks? I can't tell. Oh, come on. That had to hit it. I can't knock it out. All right, here we go. Oh, that's off to the right, I think. Oh, yeah, I got it that time.
You don't have to do this.
You don't have to do this.
How you like me now?
All right, Elijah.
What else you got?
That right there should hold your jackrabbit ass. I was missing just a little, but when I missed by a little. I don't miss like that. Don't know what to tell you, Elijah. I'm a bad son of a bitch. Thanks for watching, guys. And talk shit to Elijah Day at the Range, and make sure and drag Josh, Mike, Chris, and Joel from Precision Network into it. He called them out too. Thanks for watching, guys.